Introduction: Waste management in Malaysia. The solid waste management is relatively poor in Malaysia. Modern waste management is shifted to a more flexible waste hierarchy concept, also called as 3R: reduce, reuse, and recycle policies. The Malaysian Department of Environment (DOE) define hazardous waste as any waste falling within the categories listed in the first Schedule of Environmental Quality Schedule Waste Regulations 2005. The manufacturing sector is the major contributor in hazardous waste generated in Malaysia. Next is significance of report. The importance of writing this report is to provide knowledge related to this topic, which is to identify the management of solid waste and hazardous waste in Malaysia. Next, the effect of both solid waste and hazardous waste on society are attempted to be covered in this report. The methods for treatment and disposal are covered, along with design considerations for either a solid waste management system or a hazardous waste management system. A comparison in terms of similarities and differences between government or non-government agencies involved in waste management in Malaysia is also explained. Waste in Malaysia. In this report, we will describe and list the relevant relationships that control relevant agencies in the management of solid and hazardous waste in Malaysia.
Next, I will talk about the objective of this report. First is to identify how solid and hazardous waste is managed in Malaysia. Second, able to identify the similarities and differences between these two agencies, government agencies and non-government agencies in managing this waste. Third, able to describe the significant collaboration of agencies in bringing success in managing solid and hazardous waste in Malaysia.
So, this is how the process of methodology looks like.
We have listed down 5 comparisons for this case study. First, collection of solid waste. City Hall is working to overcome the delay in the collection of solid waste by using all available machinery resources to replace the existing bins in certain areas. Second, recycling. The Kota Kinabalu City Hall DBKK is committed to strengthening the residents' love for the environment and recycling practice through its creative upcycles and eco bag for Green City program. Third, disposal or landfill operation or incineration. The government has come up with the long-awaited Solid Waste and Public Cleansing Management Bill 2007 and also Solid Waste and Public Cleansing Management Corporation Bill 2007 aimed at managing its solid waste depot. Third, incineration. The government has come up with the long-awaited Solid Waste and Public Cleansing Management Bill 2007 and also Solid Waste and Public Cleansing Management Corporation Bill 2007, aimed at managing its solid waste disposal by standardizing disposal practices. Fourth, achievement. The Federal Housing and Local Government Ministries, KPKT, Excellent Local Authority, PVT, Recognition for Environmental Health Program Year 2021 presented City Hall DBKK with 2 prizes. And lastly, improvement. DBKK has decided to purchase new garbage trucks in order to improve rubbish collection services. The conclusion: despite the chosen direction of solid waste management, it is important that the option must be smart and able to solve the solid waste problems arising in Malaysia. We, as the netizens of Malaysia, should be proactive in managing our country's solid waste with proper planning so as to mitigate potential environmental problems.